The foreshadowing and prophecies have become a huge part of Boruto. Many people think that both Toneri and Momoshiki have predicted the forecoming of Boruto's Jogan, but that's not completely true. There is a big difference between Toneri and Momoshiki's predictions, and that's what we are gonna discuss today, along with the suppression of karma and the Jogan ritual. So stay tuned till the last one, and let's start off with Momoshiki's true prophecy. So as mentioned before, there is a big difference in Toneri's and Momoshiki's prophecy. This is because they both were not referring to the same thing. When Toneri met Boruto in his dream, he said "your eye," as if he was referring to a single eye, meaning he was talking about the Jogan. Whereas Momoshiki used the phrase "those blue eyes," referring to both of his eyes. So Toneri's prophecy is about the Jogan and Momo's prophecy is about both of Boruto's eyes. In other words, it's about Boruto's vision. So the criteria is that Boruto's vision will eventually lead him to a path where he will lose everything. Like what if he generally falls in love with someone he shouldn't have? That's right, I'm talking about Aida and her quest to find true love. Suppose a scenario where Team 7 is on a mission in a random village and Boruto sees Aida and gets captivated by her beauty. The aftermath would be not so good, and there are tons of possibilities regarding Boruto's life changing for the worse after that incident. I have already discussed the what if where Kawaki falls in Aida's trap, but Boruto's scenario seems more complicated. How ironic would it be to have the most OP dojutsu in the universe and yet to be blinded by love? Moving on to our next theory, the karma suppression. This part is about Boruto's karma completing its Otsutsukification. By the end of the time skip, it's most likely going to be finished, since the progress was at around 80% by Ishiki's estimation in the fight. It's going to be complete in those 3 years or less, but we don't know the percentage of the progress when Boruto's karma began resonating with Kawaki, and we are also unaware of the speed of the Otsutsukification with and without resonance. Was it at 10% before they found Kawaki and jumped up to 80% by the Ishiki fight? Then it will be slow, but in 3 years it will complete and Momoshiki shall revive. In the time skip, Boruto still has the karma, and therefore I ask, how is it still not complete? Did the pills work, or did they do something else that suppressed the Otsutsukification? This is probably one of the biggest questions about the time skip. Now we could have discussed the possibility of Jogan helping Boruto to slow down the karma process, but since Boruto has not been known to use it for that purpose yet, I guess we got no enough intel to frame a logical theory. But anyway, the next theory is regarding the Jogan, and I'm sure you will like it, so click here and watch it right now.